Ini sangat mudah untuk membedakan antara kakak tua jantan dan betina. Di mana jantan memiliki bola mata berwarna coklat dan yang betina memiliki bola mata berwarna hitam. Okay. And unlike us humans, cockatoos only have 4 fingers. 2 fingers are pointing forward and another 2 fingers are pointing backward. After this, we have some bebek. Bebek is Balinese word for dog. And we also have a cute ducky bird today. Hi! Alright. May I know your name, please? Bara? Yeah, let's bring it back in the middle. Alright. Come here with me. It's okay. Is it the first time you feed the dog? Yeah, it's okay. Let's feed the dog in the middle. Hey, we can start from here. Just throw the food. Yeah, you can hold the basket a little bit high. Alright, thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, this dog are crossbreed between Indian runner dog species and a wild dog called the Bali dog. We call this dog the Bali. In Bali, we call it lawa. But of course, our doggies here are the stars of the park. Jadi siapa yang tidak kenal dengan unggas yang satu ini ya, bebek Bali domestik. Dimana memang ini biasa dipelihara oleh para peternak karena kelezatan daging dan juga telur-telurnya yang besar. Mereka juga biasa digunakan dalam pembuatan bebek betutu, sate dan juga lawar. Namun tentunya mereka adalah bintangnya dalam pertunjukan di sini. Let's come here. Okay, let's come in the middle again and let's feed them here. Okay. Right, and this is one more time. You can throw the food a little bit far, okay? Yeah. Good job. Let's throw it one more time. Yeah. Good job. And now let's put the basket down. It's okay. Just put it here. Whoa. It's okay. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, because we have the dancer well, please give an applause to our cute keepers today. Alright, thank you so much. Now you can go back to the lady and wash your hand, okay? It's okay. You don't have to take it. It's okay. It's okay. Just leave it here. Alright. Yeah. Thank you.